Okay, take a deep breath and listen to me. We live in a three-dimensional world. Actually, there are more dimensions that we humans cannot perceive. I have experienced almost 6 dimensions, but only for a few seconds. It is not something that can explain, cannot able to explain, only experience. Even 3 dimension is hard to explain all the time. It is experience that is explained, but not all the time. Now, if what you think as length, breadth and height, think x-axis is intensity, y-axis continuity. So what we have is a two-dimensional space, x-axis intensity, y-axis continuity. Now what is z-axis? Those fools have not thought about the z-axis. So now we can try and relate to something we can be able to understand, that is how to match up the intensity and the continuity of the physical reality. The intensity and the continuity to the physical reality. Understand the question. How to match up the intensity and the continuity with the physical reality. Listen to me. We may think intensity is like the x-axis of the length and the continuity is the y-axis of the height. No, that is wrong. It is impossible to relate the intensity and the continuity to such physical things. So Albert Einstein, the great scientist Albert Einstein said, we need 4 dimensions. He said space, that is x, y and z, are physical reality combined with a metaphysical reality of time. That is what he created, right? What he created is a dimension called time. And then he made x equals time and he made e equals mc squared. But what the scientists don't understand is that the metaphysical reality is already built into the intensity and the continuity. Time is already included. It is both intense and continuous. So that 4 dimensions of the physical reality on Einstein is already in the 2 dimension of the spirituality. Don't mix reality in the physical sense with the spirituality. Intensity and continuity already includes the 4 dimension, 2 plus 2. Intensity is 2, continuity is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, Einstein said 4, all taken care of. So now we are saying that the spiritual reality that combines the physical reality with the metaphysical reality is actually 4 dimensions wrapped within the 2 dimensions that we can understand. Intensity is like the x-axis, continuity is like the y-axis, intensity is like the length, continuity is like the height. Then what is the z-axis? It is nothing but the breadth. No, not breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H, not that breadth. B-R-E-A-T-H, air. The breathing is the x-axis. So now we have 4 dimensions wrapped in the intensity and the continuity, and we have breath, what we call swasam, which is also used in the yoga. That is the 5th dimension. So in the yoga, when they say you focus on the breath and slow it down, they are saying 5th dimension is the experience dimension, but slow down, because once you slow down, then you can experience the other dimensions of the intensity and the continuity fully. And that is the God. Go on discussing.